Hello everyone, it's Lindsay, and we are going to be doing something totally different on my channel for the next few days. So if you didn't know, I've been sharing on Instagram that my family was hit with not only an upper respiratory infection, but a dash of the stomach flu on top of that. So I've been taking some time off from my channel, but I didn't want to leave you guys hanging with no content. So a few of my friends here in the community decided to come together and create for me. So they've put together some videos that I can have on my channel. I think this will be a great way for you guys to find new people to follow, so be sure to go give them tons and tons of love. First up, we've got Camille here, so be sure to check out the description box for links to everything that she used and all of our social media. Miss Camille is only 14 years old, you guys. I think this is so awesome. So here you go. Here is today's video.
Hi fellow crafters, my name is Camille from This Girl Saved on Instagram, and I am super excited to be here on Lindsay's channel. Sadly, it's not for a good reason, and her family is not feeling well, so I am praying for strength and a quick recovery. Today I'm creating a Bible journal entry for Illustrated Faith's Gratitude Documented prompt, Day 16, which is Legacy. I am working in Psalm 78, verse 4, 6, and 7. We will not hide them from their descendants. We will tell the next generation the praiseworthy deeds of the Lord, His power and the wonders He has done. So the next generation would know them, even the children yet to be born, and they, in turn, would tell their children. Then they would put their trust in God and would not forget His deeds, but would keep His commandments. I am so blessed to have inherited a legacy of faith in my life from my great-grandparents and beyond. I am so thankful to be taught the promises of God, the immeasurable love that He gives, and instruction for a Christian life by my great-grandparents, grandparents, and parents. I pray that God will bless me with the same legacy of faith to pass down to future generations.